If you're looking to boost your productivity and create professional presentations or content faster, Gamma AI is a tool that can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll explore the productivity benefits of using Gamma AI and how it can help students, teachers, freelancers, and business owners save time while producing high-quality work. One of the biggest productivity benefits of Gamma AI is time saving. Creating professional presentations manually can take hours. Choosing layouts, arranging content, selecting images, and adjusting fonts is time-consuming. With Gamma AI, you simply input your ideas or notes, and the AI automatically generates slides with polished layouts and visuals. This allows you to spend more time focusing on your message, research, or other important tasks. Another key benefit is efficiency through automation. Gamma AI doesn't just create slides. It helps structure your content logically, highlights key points, and suggests visuals to make your presentation more engaging. This automation reduces the need for repetitive manual work, meaning you can produce more content in less time, without sacrificing quality. Gamma AI also enhances workflow organization. The AI helps you organize your ideas in a clear, logical order, ensuring that your audience can follow your message easily. This is especially valuable for teachers preparing lessons, freelancers pitching clients, or business owners delivering presentations to teams or investors. A well-organized workflow reduces stress and increases productivity because you're not wasting time trying to figure out the best way to present your ideas. Another advantage is multi-purpose use. With Gamma AI, you can create presentations for school, business, or content creation. You can also repurpose slides for social media content, reports, or client proposals. This flexibility means you get more done with less effort, making your workflow more productive and streamlined. Finally, Gamma AI allows for quick revisions and updates. If you need to adjust your presentation at the last minute, the AI makes it easy to update slides, replace visuals, or tweak text without starting from scratch. This feature saves time and reduces the frustration that often comes with last-minute changes. Imagine finishing a presentation in minutes that would normally take hours to design manually. That's the kind of productivity boost Gamma AI offers. It's like having a smart assistant that helps you work faster and smarter. So if you want to increase efficiency, save time, and produce high-quality presentations effortlessly, Gamma AI is a tool you should try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and productivity tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Start using Gamma AI today and experience the productivity benefits for yourself.